Alright, when you're solving word problems, you should follow the following steps. First, it's very important to read the entire problem. Next, you want to determine the problem that you're asked to solve. Step 3, you want to define your variable with either a let statement or a picture. Step 4, you're going to translate the words into mathematical sentences. And then you're going to solve for your variable or variables. Once you have your answer, you should go back and make sure that your answer makes sense. Example 1. It says an ostrich that is 108 inches tall is 20 inches taller than 4 times the height of a kiwi. What is the height of a kiwi in inches? All right, so our let statement, let K be the height of a kiwi. It says, the problem says that an ostrich is 108 inches tall. So we start with that. The symbol for is equals. And then it says 20 inches taller, so we're going to be adding 20 to something. So we put plus 20 on the right side. It's 20 inches taller than 4 times the height of the kiwi. The height of the kiwi is K, so we should have 4 times K. Once we have our equation set up, we want to solve for K by subtracting 20 from both sides. We get 88 equals 4K. Divide both sides by 4. K equals 22. So the height of the kiwi is 22 inches. Example 2. Jennifer is saving money to buy a bike. The bike costs $245. She has $125 saved, and each week she adds $15 to her savings. How long will it take her to save enough money to buy the bike? All right, so we're going to let W be the weeks it'll take to save enough money to buy the bike. So it says that the bike costs $245. All right, so she already has $125 saved. So we start off with $125, and then every week she adds 15. So 15 times the number of weeks. And we're letting W be the number of weeks. So now that we have our equation, we're going to subtract 125 from both sides. That gives us 120 equals 15W. Divide both sides by 15. And W equals 8. It's going to take her 8 weeks to save up enough money to buy her bike. And the last problem, Chelsea cleans out her closet. She gives half of the t-shirts in her closet to the Goodwill. She then goes shopping and gets 7 new shirts. If she now has a total of 22 shirts, how many shirts were originally in her closet? All right, so we're going to let S be the original number of shirts in her closet. It says in the problem that she gives half of the t-shirts in her closet to Goodwill. So half of the total number of original shirts she has would be 1/2 S. And she gets 7 new shirts whenever she goes shopping. So we're going to add 7 to that. At the end, she has a total of 22 shirts. So first thing we want to do is multiply the whole thing by 2, that denominator. LCD is 2. When we multiply 2 times 1/2 S, we just get S. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 22 is 44. Subtract 14 from both sides, and S equals 30. So she originally had 30 shirts.